Hi guys! So the other day I went to the dollar store and I saw these already pre-made cake mixtures. And I thought, why not? Why not showing you how to make a really tasty and cheap cake? And here's the result. We came up with a Valentine's Day heart-shaped cake for less than $3. So let's begin. These are the ingredients we are using. The first step is to crack open the eggs and whisk them. Then you add the butter and the water and give it a little stir. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the $1 cake mix. Then we want to whisk it all up until it's nice and thick. If you want to go fancy, you can also substitute the water with milk. Or you can use an extra egg to make the dough even more spongy. So now the dough is ready and we're gonna pour it in our prepared baking pan. Try to make its surface a little bit even. Bake it for about 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's done, let it cool down for 10 minutes before taking it out of the baking sheet. Now let's shape the cake. It is way easier if you're using a template. Now, let's cut the cake horizontally. To fill the cake, simply spread chocolate fudge on the first cake layer. Then we add the chocolate chips. Place the second layer on top and fully cover the cake with fudge. If you want, you can decorate the cake by pouring some sprinkles on it. And that's it! That's our $3 cake. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If so, give me a thumbs up and turn on the notifications for more delicious recipes. Thank you. See you next week, and remember, baking is happiness. Bye bye. Good? Good. Wait, you're recording? Stop.